This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what you need: proof of ownership, the account credentials tied to the device, and a charged battery with internet. Once those items are in hand, open the platform's official recovery tool, Find My iPhone for Apple or Google's Find My Device for Android, and sign in with the account that owns the phone. Make sure to use the recovery email or SMS method first. This preserves user data if possible and avoids unnecessary resets. Once signed in, you'll follow the provider's identity checks. This might include two-factor prompts, recovery codes, or verification via a trusted device. If you can't receive codes, use the account recovery form and enter the recovery email or phone number. Supply recent account activity to speed verification. If the device is carrier locked or uses SIM verification, make sure to contact your carrier. They can confirm line ownership and assist with authentication, so you can reset the password. If recovery fails, you may need to perform a factory reset through recovery mode or the account portal. This erases data but removes the lock so you can set a new passcode. Once done, restore from your most recent cloud backup to recover apps and settings. If the device remains activation locked or your account is suspended, make sure to contact the device maker with proof of purchase. They can remove activation locks after verifying ownership, which is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.